ambulance His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ede ba Ghana no enkofo anase Ghana timamufo atwa na
John Mahama won o wa dwunumu yare NDC for mo president John Mahama no o wa dwunumu yare papa
mo ba mo ntina be kase enye ambulance na ye ya aha eye GreaterOne TV subscribe like na share obeti baby a na wanye benu wahwe abuza mo nganjo se GreaterOne media aba se eye bi na ato se wedding bi na woye wawo na wo lanchi akola mekire Adwene na woye na open evidence e de ato horum se ne wo yie anase bia wedding am woye ye betwa na live e de mamoa e GreaterOne media number no e da screen so mesre se obefa na wa from nchiremu bia na waje na ene wo mu edi nkomo abusia ensemu ne mu nchiremu ni yenkoso enje bia ane yehu se ambulance bi eje ne homena anase His Excellency John Dramani Mahama akofa ka dodo bebrebe bi e de abaga na ha se yemfanye ambulance na ohwe on the way back former president Nana Ankwa Akufu Addo akofa ambulance 307 e de baga na ha se yemfanye ambulance na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na penso oba ye okofa Tricycle e de ba se yemfanye ambulance na Ghana fon bi kase na wabeka no krachire ya na se wabeka nsem bi otu yasum se ye ma wamra na be president awde mapa e na de baba Ghana odi asempa na woni ade de abaga na ne abeto yasum na fa ne mapa fa bra Ghana odi Tricycle a bi mu fre no se plagia ade deta e na ba be ambulance o Ghana ha na ne opasi ye wuo sa na Ghana fon bi kan o mo se sa de opasi ye wuo na former president akwakofa ambulance papa de aba na wo ba na the Tricycle aba de ya ere na wo pa agire opasi ye wuo ana mi ago bi na bra Ghana fo binimu etu ede man His Excellency John Dramani Mahama
won o wa dwunumu yare NDC for mo president John Mahama no o wa dwunumu yare papa no wa dwunumu yare wutimi nya akukudro begina wo be kasa han ade na wo dia ba no se Ghana fo nimu Ghana fo mbusa Mahama you have a mental problem. John Mahama you have a mental problem. Wo mental problem no eno na wacha ma wo NDC supporters no John Mahama enti ade na wo de ba na yeden ye de beton tomatoes ana abobo ya na wo ka se wo de polytank besisim na wo de ama mebunu no na wa mo Wellington boot na wa mo nsekan na mo koduaduandua no ana ye no ade na wo de ba no John Mahama wo wadwene mu no enam se wo mental problem no nti no wonim se ade na wo de ba ye no egu weni mu asenti no we be gina owu be kan kwase asem because wo mental problem John Mahama sa bobo ya no
already is baobia why dey na chef fe kama why dey na Joseph baobia why dey na so Joseph Yaro from prison to prime minister baobia why dey no the way is seba na onyakupo so ya de o catch smart Mahama lunch ambulance captain yes no be kan onu TV my why yes no ye pese etie wa no asem Mahama break Ghana for break ambulance correct pa pragia ambulance na Mahama odi abre ba obi wa hindi asi sefe fe odo boss akufo ado moni atipa mo ye guy yesre mo president Mahama yesre ambulance na odi aba no say papa nko ade a akufo ade na edi wachi no yesre o yifiri wachi na fa wo de na odi aba no fa di wachi sa pragia no fa di wachi ye mompa yesa bibisi a na sa ambulance no sa pragia na odi afa nipa so baumia wahindi asise awurade yesu sabikai o mese Mahama na mamuo no eno na de wo baumia wo ba power eti baumia ma ehim kwa ahini ansuo beto agusu no so esise fe na ukofa ambulance abre Ghana for timamfu a yetua taxa na wakofa pragia abla pragia no kra mo pepra bande na Ghana fonti Yare Paa ekoto abama Mahama yesra mo ase edukati a muntu Mahama fu Julius Dabra muntu di fu nya sa president mu nya bi ni o na dia na Mahama wuye na Mahama wuye ofase edukati a uba president adi dia tu Mahama fu no fa pragia ni ko Na Pragia pa na de be ambulance ama Ghana for a tia tax. E wo kro we mu. Ofasi edukatia. Mr. Julius Debra, yesa muntu mahamafo. Na Pragia no san fa nko no kwaje Benz ni bimla Kufu Addo de no sprinter no. No kwaje bimla na we de e ni wu kra ama Ghana for. We abroche for no kra nyae. Mr. Happiness mo nyae. Say no kra, da bia na defend Ghana. Na akofa Pragia se fa be ambulance, asa mbedi di atem. Ene da bia Mr. Happiness mbedi di atem. So ya da mase.
Esi amahama ko ba bia sa ambulance we ba kuni na chi. So munnim no mo fa Akufo Addo de ba ko pekura di o mo cha nyame ntwe o mo ka. Minister bia oye MP NDC, minister bia ko ba bia sa moto ken na mo de aba no. Ena nya ambulance eni mo chi emfa nko. Se mo ja sa ayi wa se we abobo ya ni si ho na mo fa na Addo de na nyame ntwe amoka. Is obian nyusu.
Abuza video na da ho no. Se wa wani tua, nyame na meka o. Ghana fo binimu na e ka se, oya sa ade a wa anya de. De na wo de abra esi emfa nya ambulance. Na former president ground, ode de ode buy kwa sabi kafra. E bi mani anye ho. Na ode we ba ma se e ambulance. Anu na pusu de todiem. Abonebo. Na de na Ghana fo okay. Ka na me de bre ma na tricycle na me de bre mo. Enye ambulance. Na woti bibia bisa emfiti preko pa nka de wo pe bisa enye ambulance ya bi moti ba bi kika de mo pe se John Dramani Mahamade tricycle ba se emfanya ambulance enye osi enye ambulance na mmom no wo hwe kane na hospitals ana se bia wo chip compounder ya na ya se yale bia ba yen ko so nkura num ni ade ente nurses for no enante ade kofie sabe wona wo nkura ase no ebu wa long distance na wo kwa hwe obi yale anase bia or the edro ko so nkura num enti sa or the tricycle aba se ebe assist wo mo se bia wo ko north na bia nkura ase ba bi wo ho na wo kwa ebeti maboa nurses for no mo ho no se bia o metimi akokko hwe ne nurse yalefo obi sabe e wo fie anase bia obetimi de ko so nkura num enti tricycle no de ba enye ambulance be assist nurses for matima konkura ase akokko hwe sabe ayalefo o mutimi nante emfa ma hospital wonum na nye ambulance o kire mu a kire se tricycle no kra no bayi bi wo kire wonum a obetimi di nruasie obetimi di bibi kra go si wonum a enka hospital oba ye de ensu be si usu ne sane mo no obetimi di sane ma na nyina agu ka na chi ana me tricycle na chi kra ansana o de akohonum na nye ambulance sebe obi hu aka ne yenkofa ne yenfa nkoji anase kolebu ana 37 any ambulance send your message.
Let me be clear. I mean, if you don't understand something, ask. Don't jump to conclusion. Those tricycles are not ambulances. Okay. Those tricycles are meant for the health workers and the health volunteers to go from village to village for screening. That is what they are meant for. And so at the back of the tricycle, they have a compartment where they can keep vaccines. To keep the vaccines cool, it's at the back of the tricycle.
I don't know be I kasadi afa ho say His Excellency what the abadi on ne je ho Ghana fo benim so mo mpede a on ne je ho afi say wo bere ankasa say bia wo ko ba bia ko he ne yale a ana sebe ne yale fo a wo bere enti won fa be umle no no ankasa so bia ntwikra na ono ankasa be so mo no watwi na ayekama free so no de na neji honto wasra na His Excellency fa bibre no na ontwi na fa go he na yarefo
maybe that motto is it Pragia or whatever. I don't care whatever you people are saying. So far as me, I need help from my people. I need it. I even saw a video and the president was like, it's not even an ambulance, it's to send health workers to the field. Like if they are going for outreach, like immunization sessions and other things, they will send it, Mr. President. And you are saying it's for Southerners because they're not, we working in the north, we can ride motorbike. Please, please, on my knees. Yes, even if not anybody in the north, me, Pana, I need one in my district, especially my community, because Mr. President, look at something. When I'm going for an outreach, when we are going for an outreach, we carry vaccine carrier, we carry mosquito net, we carry syringes, we carry safety box, everything on that tiny motorbike. They be a form. I was even complaining recently about the vaccine career. Strip now, you send your corner, very short. What they say, I need to choke you. Me send ukoma na adine chow mene. Maybe comment, maybe they san and yamia don't me this straight head etiena or rural man or compare back ebre me and anu enemy using. Say pragiano be it has back or be also ultimately near magu honum. Just imagine you waiting that cock of him hair or babesia motorbike, 2 bales of mosquito net. 2 bales of mosquito net. One bill is not easy. It's not like carrying pure water. I know that crap people will not understand. As a lady, I'll be on motorbike. Me, I'm not from the north. I'm also from the south. I came here to learn, so they can equally learn how to ride motorbike. So if we should distribute. Hey, bro, we equally. We also need it. Obabesia, mosquito net me nu. Nyama can home saying vaccine career. Mr. President, could be so more using vaccine career. Maybe so how heavy, very heavy. More dynamic scientific motor so. Any is your brain na your bread. Into you here be no matter what. Me, I don't care how you people made. I need it for my people. Yes. You people should use that noise you are making to help me. Like munjai politics na mon fam me. Na membo community na mo bread. Me project operation at least one part for every woman. Oba be wa any free man. Me here o mo ye na na me say e me man na mo free class no. Mo so na ye amoye politics. Mo e na moye politics. Bibia na mo de e na politics. In this me say even post me for a particular political party. Now another particular political party abrem is say me fanche medwuma you think I reject it. You self you will not reject it. Me na mo ye hypocrites. Mo pen or cray. Everything am link it to politics. Facility am ye edwuma wom. Enye political party bia na si you any be see you mo free Ghana ha. They are not Ghanaians. Me Obama district and most of the facilities ni na NGO of one be see here. Omo nya Ghana for. So if a Ghanaian person and I say Ghanaian president Bibia Bana me I'm pleading for my facility, I will say I'm doing politics for where?
Ghana de assemble ho eba anaze bia president bi wo no be bibia ebi ani beje ho ebi ani nye ho yesu kra obasa se kra nema bi obeye kra Ghana fo bi mu ho ana wiase fo bi ho kra yeni anye ho enti ne wo bosomsom ne ye original enti eden a nsem bi owi beye ana owi beka no ehun beto chima kasa mekan na semafomu a facheme aha GreaterOne TV mesere se obe subscribe na wa like na wa share obeti ba bia na wanya be no wa hwe for adwen kire nyina so fa to comment section wo mrepa mu ne ready emfa ma me den Coffee bless makram